Let me show you exactly how to change your region or the country that your TikTok is set up on the TikTok app. Now, I've seen a lot of false information on this with using VPNs and things like that. That is not accurate. The only way you could do this is with the TikTok app, and that's the only option you have for changing a region or country. Now, go to your TikTok app here, go to the Me page, and then press the three lines right over here to come to the settings page of the app. And right here, there's an option for content preferences. There's a couple of things I'm going to show you, but if you go to content preferences, you need to add at least one language here. So you might have English here if you're in the US. If you're in a different country, it might be set to your native language or nothing. What you want to do is you want to add languages, and these are the content languages. So then if you add more here, TikTok will show you more. Now, there's not a whole bunch of them over here that are available, but if you were to add one, you could have multiple languages here to let TikTok know you're interested in other content besides your native language. Let's go back. Now, another false thing I saw is people telling you to change your app language, which you can change here, and it's going to change the language the app in. That has nothing to do with your content. So leave this to your native language here. That app language is going to do nothing but change the language on the settings and privacy and some other parts of the app. But the only thing that can help you get other content here is using this option over here. TikTok will not help you reach other regions using this option. The algorithm is the algorithm, and they're not going to let you show your content in regions using this. But at least when you go to the home page or For You page, you're going to see content based on these languages that you set on this page. I hope you found this useful. Make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time.